Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to show you how to change your email on PrizePicks step by step. First, open the PrizePicks app or website and log into your account. Once logged in, open the menu and go to your account or profile settings. Look for account information or personal details. Find the email address section and select the option to edit or change email. Enter your new email address carefully. Make sure it is an email you have access to. After submitting, you may receive a verification email. Open that email and follow the instructions to confirm the change. Once confirmed, your new email will be linked to your PrizePicks account. If you do not see an option to change your email inside the app, you may need to contact PrizePicks support and request a change. They may ask you to verify your identity before updating it. That is how you change your email on PrizePicks. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and comment below with what you want to see next.